Dare you to shoot the lock.
I don't have any bullets anymore.
Oh.
I will hatchet it.
Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, they got me! Ow! Through the fence! I'm dying. I'm dead. Ow! Like, I guess I lost the lock off. That's stupid.
That's fantastic. Somebody's talking.
Are you in here now?
Yeah, it should be. Alright, cool. I want one of those, and one of those, and one of those, and some of that, and that.
Stop stealing everything.
Yeah.
What
What? What did he say to me?
Called you a bitch.
Oh, no, he didn't.
Hey, that's my sniper rifle. You come back here.
I only have a hatchet.
No, I'm talking about this guy trying to steal my sniper rifle upstairs.
Clips, you can never tell what's gonna happen. Here, take my shovel. Oh no. Take it. Take a shovel. Take shovel.
Put her back up.
Ow. Hey, find the key to the cinema back door? Cool. Am I dying? Why am I blinking?
Run on and cry to mama.
Stop pushing me. No!
I'm not doing anything. Don't worry about that. No! Stay away. Oh, what is that? There's a machete over there. Hold on.
Yeah.
Oh,
I guess
excuse me.
this machete
Oh,
does a pretty
there's a gun. There's some stuff on the floor. Excuse me. Alright, what did I pick up? I have... I'm gonna drop the shovel. I don't need it. I'm gonna pick up the machete. Alright, so what are you guys doing out here? It's very concerned for your well-being. Oh, I'm just
Well, I'm
gonna...
trying to get outside the door. I'm running.
I'm out, I'm running. I'm free. Well, this is
Yeah.
a really good poster. Huh?
Oh, god damn it.
Did you die?
No! This idiot wouldn't let me through the door. Now I'm dead.
Oh, wow.
He wouldn't let me through the door. Like, he
Well, what a
kept
jerk.
leaving the door, so I died. I turned into a zombie.
Ow, this one punched me. Okay, I need to find some sort of health pack or something.
Where are you?
I'm outside.
How do I?
If you hit the space bar, you can see a first person, and
I
then
see
you can
you.
toggle through them. Ooh, a hammer. Whoa! Off me! Get off! No. Bad zombie. Why are you running? Don't run.
That's me. That was my zombie
Was it?
body.
Oh my god. I'm turning into a zombie now. Why am I dying? Oh no, I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. What's happening to me? Oh man, that door is locked. What do I do? I don't know what to do. I'm
It's
gonna
kind of
die.
like Left 4 Dead.
Oh balls.
You didn't see him there?
Woo! Hey, hey, get off my friend. Get off my friend. Oh, I died.
Door.
I'm infected. You know what? I hope I turn into a zombie and infect you all.
I will kill you.
Hey guys, I'm infected. I don't think you're ready for this. I don't think you're ready for this. Ah!
Did you throw a board at her?
No, I died and dropped it. Oh, there's a kid.
Oh god! Get away!
My seed. Look at him go.
Why can't I back up?
Oh wow.
What?
I can put. Look what I did to my shovel.
I'm coming.
I can like screw it into place and then take it away. This is absolute. Look at it. Look, look.
You're not doing anything.
Oh well, it changed. It's different now.
Looks the same. Oh God. Kill him.
Nope. Nope. I'm closing the doors.
What? Oh, you better open those doors right now.
Goodbye. No cookies.
Come through that door.
No, they're not.
He opened it.
No. 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 Why isn't it closing? Oh my god. No. No. Out. Out we go.
That black dude is literally just standing there. We need to get in. Oh God! Oh, I didn't know
I'm in.
there was a zombie.
Oh. I closed the door on all of you. Make sure you close the doors again so they don't come in.
Close it.
Get off! No! Alright, I'm going inside the... Oh my god, it's so dark in here. Ow, what the hell? I wonder if there's like health or anything in here. Alright, we're doing really good now. I'm not gonna use my gun. Only in dire emergencies. Ow, ow, ow. I died. Careful with my body. I think you killed me.
Probably did. No! Dead monkey!
Kill me, do it!
Dead monkey!
There we go. Fantastic. Your name is Orange. You should start looking for health. The first one, first stall. Check it out.
Nice. That's cool. Man, talk about an enema.
Alright, look at the second one.
It better not be something that attacks me.
No, it's presents.
I don't need a... Okay, well, I guess I need a pistol. Some ammo.
I don't know, it's in the third one. That's actually really clean.
What the...
Hola.
Did that arm just flush the toilet?
Probably. Did you see it? Look at the movie.
Should we go in there?
Those doors open by themselves. Why would you go in there?
I know, right?
Oh, look at that toxic gas. That's not even a good idea.
More stuff. Flare gun.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Man, salvation was so close. Alright, I'll take some of this. I'll take that.
Take
And
my
that.
gun.
Alright, what did I pick up? Oh, I picked up a knife. Holy bejeebus. Look at that.
Shh, there's a zombie on the other side of the door.
How do you know that?
Because his arm's coming through the door.
Oh, Jesus, I see it now. No, buddy, what? Oh my god.
I'm out!
Bruh. Go the other door. Are they there?
Yes, a little bit.
Ow.
Get out of my way! What are you doing?
I'm out. I'm
You
out.
totally... Go through, go through, go through, go through.
Leave it open. Leave it
Stop
open. Go.
trying to go through the
Go.
door. How are you gonna get me killed? Help me!
I don't know what to do.
Not go through the doors at the same time as me. Close the door. Now I'm gonna die. It's all your fault.
Did you
Yeah,
die?
we're dead. There's like 1,000 of them in here. You close the doors?
Yeah.
I'm dead. All because of you. You had to go through the door at the same time as me. You
I was
freaking
scared.
prick. You're an ass. I hate
I
you.
was scared. Oh no, no. Yeah. Wow, funny story. I died.
Yeah. I wonder why.
And these idiots are still in their little castle over here. No. Oh my god. Yeah. Funny story. Whoa.
Come on, let's go this way.
The other side. Oh, they're over here. I can't get out yet.
Hurry up, I'm waiting for you.
Alright, give me a second.
Oh, we gotta break through these things? Yay.
Alright, I'm out.
We gotta break through the wood in there first.
Oh, wow. I'll try to defend you, I guess. Mind you. Oh.
Okay, we can't do that yet.
Oh, I'm infected. God damn it. What color is my name?
Green.
Okay. Oh, maybe I'm just bleeding. I have to get medication or something, or bandages. Wow, this baseball bat is fantastic.
Where'd you get it at?
On the floor. I think there's random spawns every time. What color's my name now?
Where are you? Orange.
Oh shit.
Find the motel side door?
I need a bandage soon. Or a med kit. I can't even run.